In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily play with a computer on chess.com. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up a web browser and then go to chess.com. Make sure you are signed into your chess.com profile, and after that, basically all you have to do in order to play with a computer is just click right here at that button, or you can also click right here where it says play bot, and after that you will be taken to the same screen where at the right we can choose our opponent. We can click at any computer player. Right here in that brackets it will show us the rating or the difficulty of that specific bot, so we can in that way select any bot, depends on their chess skill level. After that, click at choose, then select your game mode, challenge, friendly, assisted or custom. And also right from here we can select our color, white, black or random. Once you've done that, to continue, just click at play. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.